Alright, NBA quick hits for Friday the 25th of September. I've moved things inside because the wind is next level, so that really affected the audio. But today was game 4, Denver, Lakers pulling out a close one. Denver, similar to the Celtics yesterday, will probably be kicking themselves because a lot of it was self-inflicted that led to them not being able to pick up the win today, which I'll go over. But I'll start with the shot making. By both teams, it was pretty ridiculous all game, but by AD, Murray, and a little bit of Porter was some of the highlights that I was able to clip and what I want to speak about. So you'll see here Jamal Murray, his up and under, just reminiscent of young MJ. You'll see the replays here, just absurd that he was able to hang and finish the reverse like that, avoiding the LeBron James reach to be able to convert that bucket. So insane. Add it to the list of ridiculous things he's done this playoff series while in the bubble. Here, don't underestimate the importance of these back-to-back threes to end the third quarter heading into the fourth, because it was very close to a double-digit lead before Porter Jr. was able to hit these shots. So reduce the deficit heading into that final quarter. So they were key. Here you'll have Anthony Davis. I think he's 7 foot, but if not, he's very close. Being able to pull off a guard move behind the back, picks up the foul, and Jokic converts the basket. And crucial enough, it's Jokic picking up his 5th foul in this instance. So Jokic goes to the bench. So very important on 2 aspects, that move by AD. And then here, just to sort of finish things off on the crazy shot making part of this, is just Murray, the fadeaway floater. Not sure how he hit that, because that's Anthony Davis that he was able to make that over. Another aspect that I want to speak about is the second chance points that really killed Denver today. So Lakers won that 25-6, and you'll see here that Dwight was just racking up offensive rebounds, creating chaos, picking up the start for this game over JaVale McGee. He's so physical that Jokic just really struggled. Most people do struggle with boxing out Dwight. There's very few other than Embiid, maybe Bam, a couple of others that can match him physically. So he was wreaking havoc. Here's something that's inexcusable. You'll see LeBron miss the free throw and get his own rebound and then convert it. So from the Denver side of things, that's something you just can't have happen. Here you'll then see these couple of offensive rebounds that are so key. Just AD here picking it up, running in from the corner, and then Rondo running in from the wing to be able to pick up a couple of these offensive rebounds. It just kills just that little bit more time. And in a close game in the fourth, getting an extra possession is vital. And then the final thing is LeBron was put on Jamal Murray. So LeBron had a segment where he picked him up for, I think, from the 5-minute mark of the fourth to almost finish out the game. You can see a couple of really big possessions that he was able to impact Jamal Murray just by being, so physically imposing, and just the 6'9" size and his frame that he has just really made things hard for Murray. So here he forces the turnover, and then that leads to a basket. Then you can see on these next 2 possessions, he contests Murray. Now you can say the second one might have been a foul, so be it. What hurts the most out of all 3 of those possessions is that they led to the baskets for the Lakers. So again, in a close game, the second chance points, that's where Denver will be able to look back and see where the game went wrong. It'll be in those instances. Denver seemed to have the Lakers right where they want him. So another series where they're down 3-1. If they do it, it'll come back and win in 7 and make the finals. It'll be the most absurd thing in the NBA in the past. Definitely in the 2000s. I can't think of any other time where something more ridiculous has happened. But yeah, we'll have to cross that bridge when we come to it. Then tomorrow it's Miami-Boston, Game 5. I'd like to think Miami close it out, but worst case scenario, they close it out in 6. So we'll check in after that.